The Unplug Promo. Music, let's go.
Here we go, 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 here we go.
Here we go. Instantly, I'm in the lead. When I release, you hear the beat, and this my beat. Press delete, you're sounding streets. I came from streets to business suites, your boy elite. Took a lead from rapping sheets, but don't you sleep. I'm bedding sheets, I still got heat. Sold out seats and plaques received. You don't believe, but got receipts as if you need. Not on your league or your colleague, you need at least another lease on life at least. To be a beast, to eat a feast, to reach the speed, have your keep, that's the least. It's not my peak, it's just a leap, a little peak of what you need, technique and speak. And like a priest, I leave a piece. I call this piece a real release. I might release a real release.
Yo, the Unplugged, we back. Season 3.25. You know what it is? We back. Season 3.25. Quarter of the Unplugged. Who's counting anyway? We out.